This is the rear fin that houses the GPS antenna, and on the convertible you'll find it on the trunk lid like you can see here, but on the saloons it's on the roof as you can see over there. But I need to replace this quite desperately because you can see it's cracked and it's in quite a bad way at the moment. So I ordered one from Suffolk Saab, who provided me with a proper Saab original replacement, and that is what I'm going to be putting on my convertible now. I'll put a link in the description for where you can get one of these yourself. These are Saab originals. So obviously this all starts with opening the boot. So the next point of call is to take off the interior of the trunk boot lid, and we need to take this felt off basically. So the way that we do that is by removing this handle. It's got 2 Torx screws holding it on, and then we need to pop out each of these fasteners. And we just pop that down there. And so this is the nut that we're looking for. So we're going to unplug the FACRA connector here. I'll just undo this nut. And you can see on here it's got 2 wings on the top and the bottom which are actually holding this in place. And there we go. That will allow this to now come off. Like so. You can see the dirt where the other one was on here. There we go, nice and clean, or at least as clean as it's going to get. Now it's time to put the new antenna in place. So we're just going to drop the FACRA connector through the hole and get the thread in there as well without damaging anything. Just get it straight. So we'll grab the nut and we'll put that back in place. So just pull the FACRA wire to one side, and the nut has a gap for where the cable goes, and you just need to make sure that goes over the cable and then start to screw. So when that's nice and tight, now what we're going to do is plug in the FACRA connector. Like so. Just drop the wire down there. And there we go, replaced. So now we're just going to put it back together again. And there we go. Good as new.